Hi, this is Juan from LineDividers.com. Today I'm going to show you our ProDividers ball top VIP stanchions in polished chrome. Each kit comes with 2 ball top stanchions and 1 5-foot rope. We do sell additional ropes if you need more. As you can see, they're made in chrome and then they're polished to a really fancy shine. That's why I'm wearing these gloves. I'm not a weirdo. And an important feature of this is the base has a thick rubber ring around it, so that if you put them indoors on really fancy tile, it's not going to scratch it up. It protects your floor. That's always a non-trivial point. Like most of these in the market, the attachment rings have 4 different sections, so you can really control the path of your line. Always an important thing as well. That's about it. It's a simple system. You've seen it at all VIP events throughout the country. Yeah, they're great. They're simple and they really do look nice. If you have any questions or concerns about this or any of our other products, please do not hesitate to reach out. Sales@linedividers.com. Have a great day.